Okay, this is the sump pump alarm. It runs off of a different circuit than the sump pump itself. It's plugged into a different circuit. The sump pump would be plugged into a GFCI outlet, which is across the room, and I'll take video of that here in a little bit. Once I remove the seal on the sump pump pit, I'll manually actuate the alarm just so you can see that it's working, but it's a tether alarm or tether actuated, and so if water rises past the actual sump pump tether and reaches the alarm's tether, it will indicate or notify to you that there is an issue with the sump pump. So I'll stop this video, remove the seal, and create another video for that.